we are just talking about ways in which you can organize your kitchen using a method I call drawer by drawer organizing. So this drawer by drawer organizing with the kitchen is an easy way for you to go through your kitchen without taking everything out at once. Sometimes this can be super overwhelming, and with the amount of stuff we've collected over the years, it just might not make sense for you to take everything out of your kitchen all at once. So using this drawer by drawer method is going to be more bite-sized chunks for you to organize your space. So the drawer by drawer method is exactly what it sounds like. You're going to go through one drawer or one cabinet, take everything out of that one space, declutter the stuff that doesn't belong. And like if you're new, declutter for these purposes is removing something that doesn't fit in the space. So you might have something in your kitchen that you use elsewhere, but it just so happens to make its way into your kitchen. So declutter that, move it to where it belongs, and then keep moving on with this drawer by drawer method to organize your space. So you take everything out of a one drawer or one cabinet, you declutter the stuff that doesn't belong, and then you put the things that do belong back into that drawer or cabinet. Now, here's the piece that you need to make sure you do if you choose to organize and declutter using this method. You need to take inventory and label that cabinet or drawer. So we're going to start with taking inventory. So on a piece of paper or a post-it note, you're going to write down the specifics in that drawer or cabinet. So let's say it's all of your mixing bowls and measuring cups and spoons are all in one cabinet. You are going to write that down. I personally love using post-it notes or sticky notes. I think they work great, especially for this type of project, because you can easily move them around if like you find, oh wait, I have like 5 cabinets of mixing bowls. I need to reassess the situation. You can move around the post-it notes so it makes it easier for you to kind of like stay organized while you're organizing, and that it helps you just kind of like streamline your entire process. So write down, take inventory of what is in the cabinet or drawer. Then you're going to label that space, and that designated space is going to be for that particular category. So that category, let's say again, mixing bowls, measuring cups, measuring spoons, all of those are in that one cabinet. So you're going to also make another post-it with a label specifically for that space. There are reasons why we do this, because as you go through drawers and cabinets, you might find that there are other areas of your kitchen that have similar items that all be grouped together. So you want to label so you know where to pull those items to, and you want to take inventory in case you have double of something throughout your kitchen. Since you aren't pulling everything out, it is okay to kind of like pull things out and then check as you go along. Oh wait, I have 4 sets of measuring cups. I don't use all of these, so I can declutter some of them and only keep the ones that I like and use. So that's why we take inventory, and that's why we label the category. This is the biggest piece with the drawer by drawer method, so that you don't double up on things unnecessarily as you're spending the time decluttering and organizing your space. So use this method if taking everything out seems super overwhelming. Declutter each drawer and cabinet and make sure to take inventory and label like with a category. I break down like every single category possible that I've ever used for grouping different items together. So I want you to go to the show notes and check that out so you can kind of like see what you have. If you want to be an overachiever using the drawer by drawer method, then you can create the category labels first and then go through each drawer or cabinet and then only put the items back that fit that category. But if that is too overwhelming, then just do drawers and one drawer, one cabinet at a time. Take everything out of that one space instead of your entire kitchen. And this is going to help streamline your entire process to organize your kitchen, because I mean, truly the kitchen is the heart of the home. So you really want to make sure that your kitchen is tidy and organized.